Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you had a nice weekend. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the best $10 business that you can start right now. But before I do that, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I have been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018, and I enjoy helping others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably noticed that I haven't been making videos as often as I usually do. But that's simply not because I'm not working on my businesses. It's just because I have other business ventures outside of the work from home space that I'm putting more time in right now. All right, these are things that, these are other business opportunities that I'm a part of outside of the work from home space that are needing my attention, and so that's basically why. But I'm still showing up every day on social media, creating posts on both Facebook and YouTube, and I'm still doing my direct mail. I'm just not putting in I'm just not making video content like I have before. But one thing I just want to mention is that when I was doing videos every single day, it seems like I wasn't getting as many views as when I'm only making a video, you know, a couple times a week now. So I don't know if that's just algorithm stuff or what, but I've noticed that it seems like I'm getting more views on my videos not posting every single day. So I don't know if you're a content creator, if that's something that you've experienced or not, but to me, that's what it seems like. And it does lessen the workload while I'm working on these other things. So just be patient, bear with me. I'm still doing all of my marketing. I'm still promoting my opportunities, still making content. I'm still doing the same stuff as before. I'm just not creating as many videos as often as I was. But with all that being said, I just wanted to hop on here, shoot a quick video about what I believe is the best $10 business that you can start from home right now today and start making money regardless of if you bring anybody into the opportunity or not, okay? And I can't guarantee your results or success. It's all totally dependent on your work ethic. But the people who join me in these opportunities and put in the work and treat it like a real business that it is, they get results, all right? And you can do the same thing. But this is something that you can start right now. It's $10 a month, and it's tied to precious metals. All right, so it's something that people trust, and it's something where you win at no matter what. All right, because when you exchange your fiat currency backed by nothing for something that's tangible and has real value, it's a win-win. It's a win-win. All right, so silver and precious metals, silver and gold, there's something that you can use to protect your purchasing power, right? They're hedges against inflation. So you trade your fiat currency for something that's tangible, has real value, and it's easy to sell to other people because more people are realizing and waking up to the fact that silver and gold are God's money. They're real money. They've been used as currencies for thousands and thousands of years, way longer than, or way before paper currency ever came about. All right, all these currencies in all these countries, they're just made up. They're just made up. And our currency used to be backed by the gold standard, which was taken off by Nixon in 1971. I believe it was 1971. And so now it's backed by absolutely nothing. So, you know, gold and precious, more and more people are waking up to the fact that gold and precious metals are exactly what people are looking for. It's real money. You can't go wrong by stacking silver and gold. And that's what I've been doing for the last several years. And yes, it does go up and down. The price of it, the spot price goes up and down, just like the stock market. But the cool thing is that if something ever happens, if the power grid goes out, or, if anything catastrophic ever happened and you needed something to barter with, having gold and silver on hand, right, is very, very smart, because you can't barter with a stock, right? I mean, you want something physical that you can actually exchange for food, water, whatever it may be. So that's why I love having silver and gold on hand. Just in case something ever happens, I have stuff to barter with. And, this company that I work with, they allow you to buy fractional silver and gold. So, we have different denominations, different sizes that you can use for barter. You don't want to go and exchange a silver coin for a loaf of bread, right? You want to use maybe like a gram or something smaller. So, that is one thing that I absolutely love. But the fact that you can get into this business for $10 a month is insane, because a lot of people, they never start businesses because they're under the impression that businesses start a lot of money, or businesses cost a lot of money to start. And that's true, depending on what you're starting. I always talk about McDonald's and how McDonald's, they need you to have or prove that you have $500,000 in liquid capital just before they even look at your application. And I think now you have to have like $1 million in assets as well. So, that's a lot of money. Most people can't do that. Most people don't have $500,000 in liquid capital. But with this opportunity, you can start for $10 a month. Then you go ahead and set up an auto wealth delivery, so you have silver or gold sent to your doorstep every month on autopilot, so you don't even have to think about stacking. And you go and share the opportunity with other people, and you go and share your precious metals e-commerce site that you get with other people. And you wake them up to the fact that silver and gold are real money, something that has value, something tangible that you can hold, and something that will continue to go up in value over time, because silver especially is in high demand right now. All right, with all the AI data centers, the electric vehicles they're building, the medical industry uses tons of silver. All the homes in the world use silver. All right, and it just goes on and on what silver is used for. So with it being in high demand and only a finite supply of it, that drives the price up. So silver is going to continue to go up. It is volatile. We have seen it at $120 an ounce at the beginning of this year, but it's back down to around $75, $77 right now, and that's going to continue to go up. It's normal to have pullbacks. And then as it levels out, it'll go up again. But, in my opinion, and I'm not a silver expert or financial advisor, it's absolutely smart to have silver and or gold as part of your investment portfolio. So that's why I love this opportunity. It's just a win-win for everybody. Even if you don't bring people into your business right away, you're still stacking silver and gold on autopilot. All right, which is awesome. It's very intelligent to exchange fiat currency backed by nothing for something that is tangible and has real value, and it's a hedge against inflation. It protects your purchasing power. So I don't know how it is where you live, but I live up here in Maine, and the gas prices keep going up, the food prices keep going up, everything keeps going up, regardless of what the politicians are telling us. So I'm protecting against my purchasing power by buying silver and gold right now and exchanging that fiat currency for something that has real world value, right? You can take silver and gold anywhere in the world, and everybody in every country will recognize it, all right? And like I said, it's been used for currency for thousands and thousands of years. So this is a simple plug-in system that you can start. You can share with others. It's very easy to do. When you join me, you're going to get my resource page. It has over 80 different places that you can share this opportunity online. Most of them are free. About 99% of them are free to use. You're going to get my letter template that I use in all of my direct mailings, and you'll get my contact information so you can reach out to me with any questions. But it's very simple. You share a link, and the sales page does all the selling and telling for you. We have a marketing system. That is an additional fee, but it's very affordable, that you can use. You don't have to. That has follow-up emails and all of that stuff. So this is low cost. You don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to worry about refunds. You don't have to worry about handling all the headaches that come with having a brick and mortar or an e-commerce business yourself. Okay, and I know how this works because I have a brick and mortar and an e-commerce site where we sell handmade soap that my wife makes, and 99% of the customers are great, but once in a while you have that one headache. And just knowing that you don't have to deal with any of that with this company is just awesome. All right, so if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. I also will leave a link down below where you can go and check us out, get a free silver bar just for taking the tour. You just pay a nominal shipping fee, and they'll ship you a free silver bar. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.